there and welcome to Art from the Cottage. Before I start, I must apologise because this kind of art, it needs you to be picking up the paper and moving it around and trying to control the flow of the ink. And sometimes the whole sheet of paper isn't visible, but I will do my best to explain what is going on. So these alcohol inks are absolutely beautifully translucent, but they do require a little bit of handling. And they do require a special paper, UPO paper. That's YUPO. So this is going to be an abstract floral, and I'm just putting in rough shapes of flowers, and they are going to be rough too. It's a little bit tricky to get the hang of this. It's just practice, really. You just have to practice it. So now I'm putting in some different colours, and again, I'm famous for mixing my colour. They all merge into each other, and and create this beautiful translucent colours. So here I've just knocked over a little tube of ink um, into a box, so I couldn't waste it. I had to pour it onto the paper and move it around. As I mentioned before, you're constantly moving that paper about and trying to control the flow. It's very, very fluid, these alcohol inks. I'm sticking to a reasonably limited palette. I've got magenta, I've got some greens, and I've got a beautiful denim colour, bit of black. I've also got the star of the show, which is a beautiful gold. And you'll see it running throughout the whole painting. I'll do another alcohol floral painting soon, and try and get more of the paper on camera. Yeah, I didn't realise just how far further and further away the painting was getting. Normally normally you don't need to move the painting. If you're working on a canvas or a piece of paper, normally you don't move it. But with these, you do have to move it. But the effects can be very, very lovely. Still putting in, flowers in that lovely magenta and gold, as you can see there. So I'm constantly moving the ink around with the hairdryer. I would recommend, if you're going to start this for the first time, I would recommend that you start on a small piece of paper, just to get the hang of it. That's what I'll do in a future video. I'll show you how to do some little small semi-abstract floral, and put them in a very small frame, like, I don't know, 4x4, really tiny frame. They look absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I'll do a video on that soon. It's a good idea. Just putting in some little gold specks to, make it look like it's the centre of a flower. And I'm using acrylic for this. Some little black flecks in there and some little gold flecks. No reason why you can't do mixed media and just put a little bit of acrylic on there. It's your world and you can put in whatever you like. I think you're actually seeing enough of the painting to get the hang of what I'm doing, luckily. But as I said, next time I'll try harder, which they used to put on your report cards at school years ago, like, must try harder. So I'll try to do that. You can see those lovely flashes of gold in there as I move the painting about. I think it's coming together. One really important thing that I didn't mention, when you're doing this, you must have a very well ventilated room. I have all the windows open and the door open in my studio, so if you don't, you'll gas yourself with the alcohol. Yeah, just put an extra jumper on and open all the windows and doors. You'll be fine. And the other thing is, you don't use the alcohol straight from the bottle. You dilute it in alcohol. You only need a few drops of the actual ink in the alcohol. It would be miles too thick and it wouldn't do the job properly if you used it straight from the bottle. Send away for mine because they don't have it in the shops here in Cornwall. So I send to a pharmaceutical company and it's isopropyl alcohol. That's what you need to mix with your alcohol inks. Well, just go through what you're going to need if you want to do this. You're going to need the UPO paper, you're going to need the alcohol inks, and you will need some isopropyl alcohol and a hairdryer and a well ventilated room, so don't forget. And that's about it really. You can create some gorgeous, gorgeous florals or some landscapes. I'll do a landscape soon. So I've used a little bit of acrylic to put some little features in these flowers. So finally you've got a view, a good view of the painting, and I mixed some yellow and some orange and some gold together, and it's just the most gorgeous, gorgeous effect. It's in the top right hand corner, that beautiful, beautiful, it's gone like an orangey bronze really. I definitely think that these alcohol inks are the most difficult medium to use. There's no doubt about it. They have a beauty. They are absolutely gorgeous, translucent, and just beautiful. So we're coming to the end of the video now. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you like the video, I would love it if you would click the like button, and I'd be delighted if you could subscribe to my channel, and you'll see, lots of other videos to come. Hopefully some of the videos that you're very interested in. And so I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from Cornwall.